Hello students, I welcome you all to this video lecture on the topic input tax credit. In this video, we'll study about illustration 13. Compute the transaction value. Important is the word transaction value here of goods under GST Act from the following information and GST payable. Selling price of supplies excluding CGST, SGST is given. Hence, we'll take the amount as it is. If they had included this, we should have taken that amount out of the 6 lakh and the remaining amount should have been taken. But here, they have explicitly mentioned that CGST and SGST has been excluded. So, we'll take the 6 lakh as it is. Advertising charges 50,000. Publicity charges 25,000, selling organization expenses 20,000, loading and handling charges 5,000, servicing charges 50,000, outward freight and insurance on buyer's request 30,000. All of this will be added to the selling price to find out the transaction value. Above expenses are shown separately in the invoice. This is important here. Allowed discount at 10% on the price of goods and shown in the invoice. Balance available in electronic credit ledger. CGST rupees 12,960, SGST rupees 13,430. Rate of GST is 18%. So what is the use of this? So once we compute the transaction value, we'll obviously have to go for output tax liability, and from output tax liability to find out GST payable, we'll use this data, we'll deduct the input tax credit available here from the output tax liability, and if there is anything remaining to be paid, we'll pay that to the government. So I think we can start with the solution. So the first one, selling price of supplies 6 lakh. The next one, advertising charges 50,000. Next, publicity charges 25,000. Selling organization expenses 20,000. Loading and handling charges 5,000. Servicing charges 50,000. Outward freight and insurance on buyer's request 30,000. Once we add all of this, we'll get. So once we add all of this, we'll get 1,80,000. Once that 1,80,000 is added to 6 lakh, we'll get 7,80,000. On this, the trade discount, if you observe, it is allowed on the price of the goods. Hence, the selling price is 6 lakh. On that 10%, how much will be the discount? Yes, 60,000 will be the discount. So, transaction value will be 7,20,000. Now, on this 7,20,000, first we have to find out the output tax liability. So, output tax liability, the goods, they haven't mentioned where the goods have been sold. So we will assume it is within the state. So the amount will be 7,20,000 into 9% each. So 64,800 in CGST column, 64,800 in SGST column. What we have to deduct from this? Yes, you are right. Tax credit as per electronic credit ledger. Under CGST, there is 12,960 rupees. So that 12,960 we will deduct from CGST, and under SGST we'll have 14,340 as ITC is available. So once we deduct 12,960 from 64,800 and 14,340 from 64,800, we'll get net GST payable as 51,840 and 50,460. respectively. Thank you.